Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Sign with Felipe, and today I'll be teaching you how to sign some family related words like father, mother, sister, and so on. But before we start, I want to teach you a little tip. So now there's a cheekbone, you can feel it. So this cheekbone upward down to your forehead basically signs for male. So if you want to sign any male related word, you're going from your cheekbone upward. So for the female, your cheekbone down to your chin is that signs for female. Male, cheekbone to your forehead. So the sign for male, man, imaginary face cap. So male, man. Boy, female, woman, girl, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, husband, wife, brother, sister, nephew, niece, uncle, uncle, auntie, auntie, cousin, both male and female. So we are doing cousin, up, down, cousin. Daughter, son, swing from your team, swing. Sign for kid, infant, kid, baby. So these are the few words we are going to sign today. See you in my next class. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more learning videos. Bye.